How to film a project from above when you don't own a mobile phone tripod. Firstly, you need to grab some junk materials. I've used some tubes, which you'll definitely need, and 2 boxes. There are 2 things you need to think about. The height of your mobile phone so that you can fit your project into the screen nicely, and the angle of your mobile phone. Firstly, I'll talk about the height. I've just used a household container. That wasn't quite high enough, so I've added a box above. This is weighted down with some plates inside, so you just need something heavy. Boxes are quite good, or cardboard, because it moulds to the tubes. Then above, I've just added another box to hold my tubes in place, and again this is weighted down with some plates, but you just need something heavy. Then I've got 3 tubes that are just slotted together. I've made one cut there just so that that one slots into the other, and then another cut here so that my mobile phone sits nicely inside. This tube is quite sturdy. I wouldn't use a soft tube like this one to hold a mobile phone because you wouldn't want any accidents. So my tubes are positioned like this because I noticed that when I was filming there was a shadow from my boxes onto my project, so I needed the arm to be longer, so I've obviously used 3 tubes just to make it longer, and because of this I can now extend it or push it backwards and forwards to make so I can position my tubes correctly for the things I want to film. And then I can obviously rotate my camera to the angle that I want. There's one more thing that you need to obviously think about. When you're looking at your project, you want to have a nice background. Here I've just used 2 bits of paper, and just to reiterate that you need to think about the shadows because you don't want shadows in your project. Hope that helps. Free, simple, easy to make.